What's up guys, That Food Grows here. We got a sponsorship on the channel, MarsHydro. Thank you MarsHydro for the sponsorship. Check out their lights, or their stickers I mean. They sponsor me with their Tsl-2000 lamp. As you can see, just opened the packaging, packaged very well. When you guys order your lights, everything should be secured. And see, they have foam so your light won't get damaged. They got instructions right here, and let's get into it. Some of its features it has, this is how it's looking. I got the 2x4 light. So some features that it has: the MarsHydro Tsl-2000 is a high efficiency 300 watt LED light designed for a 2x4 to a 3x5 grow space. It features a full spectrum output including red, white, and in-flare lights supporting all growth stages from seedling to flowering, with a high PP of 2.6 lumens and over 700 diodes. It delivers strong, even light distribution. The unit includes a dimmable driver, daisy chain compatible up to 15 lights, and passive cooling with an aluminum heatsink for silent operation. It's certified by CE and ETL and ROHS, and it has over 50,000 hours of lifespan, making it a reliable and powerful option for indoor growers. So I highly recommend this light. It's very good. It has a dimmable features. Let me show you. It has dimmable right here. You can set it to 25, 50, 75, 100. On and off button right here. You got your power cord, and also your heat sink, so it keeps your tank cool and it keeps your light from being overheated. This will keep it cool right here. Perfect. Big too. Before I was using the MarsHydro TS-1000, and it had a way smaller one, so this one should keep this one cooler for sure. And it also has a chain, a daisy chain, where you hang and you can move up and down. It comes with two. It comes with foam padding on the bottom with a little bit of like a wood surface, so it making sure all your light is safe. Little knobs, you want to take them out so you can see. And then you just want to lay them on there as so. Grab your knobs again, twist them back on just like that. Simple, easy. Then you want to connect your cord from your heatsink. Right here there should be two little holes, and it has this one right here, as you see. Just plug it right in. Now you get your power cord, plug it in right here, as so. And this is where you get your dimmable. Oh, actually I should reverse this, so this goes on that side, so my dimmable could be on this side. Be right back. Give me 1 second. Other side, you want to flip it so this knob could be on this side, because there's two prongs right here. You want the dimmable knob to be in. So as so, you want to put them in the prongs like that. You got your two knobs that it comes with. Just tighten them up. We're almost to 2,000 subscribers, guys. So subscribe, like, comment, share. Give me any tips. Anything I could change. Appreciate the support you guys have been showing. Tighten this up. As so. Now you're done setting it up. You got your dimmable right here, and then your cooling right here. So now I'm gonna hang this in my tent. Let me show you guys my tent. I got this 2x4 tent. Got my grows in here. I was using the MarsHydro Tsl-2000, as you can see. Way smaller. So let me switch it out and show you guys right now. Quick tip: these hooks are kind of small for your tent posts, so I just get these clips from the Dollar Tree, and they're just clip them on, and they're just like this, and they fit your tent poles now. Little tip. But shout out to MarsHydro one more time. I'm gonna leave everything in the description. Go check them out. All their products, all their links will be right in the description. I'm gonna have this exact light in the description, the top link of the description, so go check them out. Shout out to MarsHydro one more time. Appreciate you guys for the support. Road to 2,000 subscribers, so like and subscribe, guys. Alright guys, I just got done setting it up. As you guys can see, I was using this MarsHydro TS1000 light. It's way smaller. You see? Look how bright it is now. Covers more space from end to end. You see? Now right now I have it around 75%. It's so bright. I recommend it, highly recommend it for you guys. It's 2x4 grows, 3x4 grows, perfect for you guys' tents. A very affordable pricing. I'll leave the link in the description. Go check it out. And these are my grows so far. Let me know if you guys want me to continue the series. I'm gonna be posting one video a week from now on, reviewing, showing this MarsHydro light. This is Frostbanger by Fastbuds. As you guys see, this one I topped 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Topped 5 times on this one. I might top it at two more times right here, 1, 2, so I get two more notes, so that's 4. And this one I am low stress chaining. As you see, I'm pulling the root, I'm pulling the stem. See, I haven't topped it or anything. This is an experiment grows, so we'll see how it turns out. This one is Permafrost by Tsl-2000. They just popped, so we'll see more grows, more videos on these in the future. This one is Ice Cream Cake by Zamnesia, as you see. And I have another Ice Cream Cake by Zamnesia. All these 3 right here, or these 2 ice cream cakes are feminized, and all these 3 right here are all autoflowers. So I'll keep you guys updated with this grow. This is how my tent is looking. I'm using a 2x4 grow. Using the MarsHydro TSL-2000 lamp. So it's looking. Again, shout out to MarsHydro for sponsoring the channel with the TSL-2000 lamp. I highly recommend their products. I'm going to leave everything in the link in the description. Go check them out. Like, subscribe, comment to That Fool Grows, and we'll see you in the next episode next week. So see you guys. Have a good one.